actually in line to get a Tim Hortons coffee. Today is the official start date of Whole30. I just finished getting my teeth cleaned and I'm gonna go home and pick up Andrew. Andrew's home. We're gonna go hang out at the mall. We're gonna go shop around just for fun. It's still Christmas holidays and I am so ready to start Whole30. I'm a little bit hungry right now. Probably go home, make an egg. I didn't go to Whole Foods, so I don't have any like bacon or meat to go along with the breakfast, but I think that'll be okay. I think that'll be filling enough. Maybe just like 2 eggs. I don't know, maybe I'll shred a sweet potato. I don't really know. I'm ready to start. Oh, and I took vitamins this morning too, so it's a good day. It was really hard for me not to order a sausage wrap. Their sausage wraps are so good. So good. I'm gonna miss those sausage wraps. But I need to get rid of this. I got a protein style burger, yummy, and a salad with olive oil.
Take those onions out.
Yeah, take the onions out. Yummy. Okay, a little check-in. It's been about an hour and I'm hungry again. So I'm gonna get a coffee and hopefully curb the the hunger, but it doesn't help that I'm looking at cooking books with delicious food on the cover right now. Okay, we just walked in the door. It is 5:13 and I did not eat anything. Well, after my last update, we got a coffee, which made me feel a lot better. And then around 4 o'clock, I was starting to get really, really hangry. Oh, and I'm spilling it. And then I picked up a carton of these raw mixed unsalted nuts. And they have like cashews. They don't have peanuts. You can't have peanuts on Whole30. And that helped tie me over. And Andrew's gonna make some steak for dinner. And I gotta figure out what we're gonna have on the side, but it should be delicious. I can't wait for it. So I'm gonna be making sweet potato fries for the steak. I'm having a pear right now. It's not super ripe because I'm starving. Anyways, I'm gonna get those sweet potato fries ready. We got these steaks that Andrew's getting ready. Don't mind Christmas clutter. Gotta get back into a good routine. Master Chef is at it again. Guys, look at this food. Yummy. So, so good. I had 2 salads today at lunch, like the salad around my burger, and I had a big salad. So I don't feel so bad about there not being any greens on my plate right now. But we'll have to get better at that too. This is amazing. It's like eating steak frites. You use, how do you make this? It's a mess over there. Yeah.
4 tablespoons of ghee on a hot iron skillet. Thyme, garlic, 3 minutes aside on the steak. Rest 5 to 10 minutes. Slice it up. Serve.
It was the best. We were just saying, when you eat like this, it doesn't feel like you're depriving yourself of anything. It's really good. This beggar.